Here comes two more kit cars, including that little orange one, and that. Oh no! Oh no! We've had an engine explosion from that black caterham there. There's the Focus RS, and that green, mint green M2. There's the white one behind it. There's the TTRS. Oh no! Just as I was recording that caterham, it exploded in front of me. Oh no! It must have been the oil. It might have been the coolant pipe blowing. There's that V6 Ginetta. They're all slowing down and stopping now because that caterham exploded right in front of me. The driver's got out, so he's fine now.